quick little video. I get asked this question quite a bit, and it's how do we get other languages onto the videos that we've got going on YouTube. Right, the auto dubbing selection that is in my YouTube channel is set to on. Therefore, every YouTube video that I've uploaded after I put that selection on should have different languages auto dubbed onto it. For some reason, it's not happening. This video that's playing now is the only video that I've managed to get 10 different languages onto it. How you can check the languages, you can go to your video that's playing, come down here to the little gear wheel, click the gear wheel. If the the dubbed languages have been released for this particular video, you should get this option in the menu, audio track 9, and that's the number of languages that is transcribed for this video. Come to the little arrow at the side, click that, come down the list. These are the only languages that's been released by YouTube at the moment. The rest are all experimental and are in the process of being looked at. Come down here, pick the one that suits you best, and the video should transcribe into your home or mother language. I hope that helps. I will be getting in touch with YouTube to find out why this is the only video on my channel that has actually converted to the 9 languages and why the rest hasn't. Hopefully we'll get a decent answer off them, and we will get all of the videos transcribed into at least those 9 main languages pretty soon. Thanks very much for visiting, but remember, don't overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. Catch us in the next one, hopefully with some different languages. Ta-ra now.